In the magical village of Toxville, everyone lived their lives in harmony with the town's giant clock tower, which ticked steadily in the center of the square. The clock was no ordinary timepiece. Its gears and hands powered not only the hours and minutes but also the entire village. Crops grew, rivers flowed, and the seasons changed all according to the clock's steady rhythm. At the edge of the village lived a young girl named Clara, who loved to explore the fields and forests. Though she was curious and bright, Clara had a problem. She could never seem to manage her time. Whether it was chores, schoolwork, or meeting friends, she always found herself running late or leaving tasks unfinished. One day, while wandering near the clock tower, Clara discovered a hidden door at its base. Intrigued, she stepped inside and found herself in a wondrous place, a garden filled with flowers, trees, and fountains, but all of it was made entirely of clockwork. Trees had gears for branches, flowers bloomed in sync with ticking hands, and birds flew in perfect circles powered by tiny springs. In the center of the garden was a wise old man, known as the timekeeper. He saw Clara and greeted her.
Welcome, Clara. I've been expecting you.
The timekeeper said with a kind smile.
Expecting me?
Clara asked, confused.
Yes, I watch over the village's time, and I've noticed that you often let it slip away from you. Time, like this garden, needs care and attention. If you neglect it, it can become unruly.
The timekeeper replied. Clara looked around and noticed that while some parts of the garden were beautiful and orderly, others were overgrown, with gears rusting and clocks sticking out of sync.
Why is part of the garden like that?
She asked.
That part represents time that is wasted,
The timekeeper explained.
time you cannot get back. But if you learn to tend to it, like a garden, your days can become full of purpose and joy.
Clara felt a pang of guilt as she realized how often she let her time slip away without thinking.
Can I fix it?
She asked. The timekeeper nodded.
Yes, but it will take patience and practice. You must learn to balance your time. Always prioritize your responsibilities, but also remember to have fun and treat each moment with care.
Determined to make a change, Clara spent the next few hours in the clockwork garden, helping to clean and repair the broken gears and unruly vines. With each task, she learned a lesson: prioritize what's important, focus on one thing at a time, and take breaks when needed, but don't let distractions lead you astray. When Clara returned to the village, she felt different. She started planning her days, making time for both her chores and her adventures. Slowly but surely, Clara found that she had more time for the things she loved because she was managing her tasks wisely. The villagers noticed too. Clara was always on time now, and she seemed happier. The clock tower chimed smoothly, and everything in Toxville ticked along in perfect harmony. From that day forward, Clara's life bloomed like the well-tended flowers in the clockwork garden, and she never forgot the lesson that time, when managed wisely, could help her grow in ways she had never imagined. Moral: time is like a garden. When you take care of it, it blossoms into something beautiful. But if you let it slip away, it becomes unruly and hard to manage. Learning to manage your time wisely brings balance, joy, and growth.
Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, give us a like and share. Subscribe to this channel for more such inspirational stories.